imaginary. We feel like these are the facilities are available in that particular. We are imagine for this what is in that Palambur. Okay, so why we are introduced this village of Palambur means the some basic concept relating to the productions. That small villages main occupation is manufacturing and agriculture's work. Small manufacturing industries are there in that particular areas. Okay, so we do through the story of village called the Palambur, that means imaginary villages. Okay, so in this village main activity is that farming is the main activity of the Palambur, whereas several other activities such as small scale manufacturing also is there, like sugar cane crushing industries, and they are manufacturing the jackery. So these are the small manufacturing industries are there in that Palambur. And dairy product transport, these are the business activity has done by the Palambur village. Are you clear? So in this lesson we are going to learn two concepts. One is that how they are developed and what are the facilities are there in that particular villages. So main activity is that farming. In this Palambur, what is the main activity? Farming, such as small scale manufacturing, dairy, transport, everything is there. Okay, so it's carry out the limited scale. Limited scale means it's a small scale. They have to be only the few small capital they are invested. Okay, so this production activity needed various type of resources. So if you want to done the agriculture activity means we need some resources. Already we read that resources in 8th standard. What is mean by the resources? I also thought that.
Ma'am, the
What is mean
material
by
which is used by a human for a human needs, ma'am. The material
can
used
be
by the human for
satisfied.
their needs, ma'am.
Very good children. So which can be satisfied our needs is called resources. Okay, so here also we
Resources,
need
ma'am.
some resources. We are depending to the resources. So natural resources is very important. At the same time we need the man-made items also, like machineries, tools, everything we need. That is man-made items. And human effort, that means we are started to invest money to the industries. So this is the human effort. Workers, they are doing the works, everything is called as the human effort. Money is that very important when we are started any business. Okay, so such we read through the story of Palambur, we will learn how various resources combine to produce the desired goods and service in the villages. So are you clear what you are going to learn in the story of village Palambur? Two concepts we are going to learn. One is that what are the development in the Palambur story and basic things. So in this story, farming is the main activity. They are depending to some resources, which means natural resources, man-made items, human effort, money, etc. Okay, so now we shall go to the introductions part. So the Palambur is well connected with the neighboring village and town. This is the small village, but it can be connected means that road transport is very good at Palambur, so it is connected to village and town. So Raiganj is the big village, is the 3 kilometer of the Palambur. Raiganj is the big villages. That means compared to the Palambur, it is big village. It is nearby the it is nearby the Palambur. That means only 3 kilometers. So and well weather road connect of Shapur. So it is connected to the big town. At same time it is the nearby the villages also. So it's connected the big village of Royganj and small town of Shapur also. So many kinds of transport are visible in the road. So we saw many type of transport. What are the transport we saw? One is the bus, tractor, bullock carts, dongas, buffalo with loaded the jackery with loaded jackery means vellam. So other commodity with the motorcycle, that means two-wheeler, four-wheeler, jeep, tractor, trucks, everything. We saw many different type of transports are there in the villages. Okay, so the village has about 450 families belonging to the several different caste. Different caste means like backward classes, SC peoples, or different type of upper caste, lower caste. All the peoples are there in that villages. So how many families are there in that Palambur? 450 families. Very good.
450, ma'am.
450 families. Note down in your notebook. Okay, how many families are there? 450 families are there in different caste people. So the 80 percentage, 80 upper caste family own the majority in the land in the village. So how many upper caste families are there? 80 upper caste families there. They are the majority.
80, ma'am.
They are the rich people. They have own land. That means they have own land. Their houses, some is quite large and made the brick and cement plastering. So this is that one of the families. One type of families are living in this Palambur. 80% upper caste families are the very richest family. That means they have own land, houses, everything's are there. Okay, so the SCs, Dalit peoples that comprise 1/3 of population and live to one corner of the village. They are living in the corner of the villages and it much smaller houses. Some of which are mud and stuff. அதாவது குடிசை வீடு, மண்ணால ஆன வீடு, அந்த மாதிரியான வீட்ல தான் they are living in that. Okay, so how many peoples remaining? All the peoples 80 போக மிச்சம் இருக்க remaining peoples are they are living at the 1/3 of populations. That means nearly like how many peoples are there in that living in the corner? 450 1/3 எவ்வளவு வரும்? How many? Nearly 150 families are living at the corner of villages. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
So again I can recall this one. So introduction, first thing is the Palambur is well connected with the nearest town and village, that means Raiganj and Shahpur. So many kinds of transport visible in the road of starting from bullock carts, tongas, everything is there, etc. Jeep, bus, tractor, motorcycle, everything is there. So in this village has about 450 families are there in that village and different type of caste people is there. So 80 upper families, that means upper caste families are there. They quite very large, that means very rich peoples. So they have own land, own houses also. And then 1/3, that means nearly 150 families are living at the corner of village, that they have small type of houses like mud and straw type of houses are there. So most of the houses have electricity connections. Electricity connection is that in this village we have faced many difficulties. That means they don't have the electricity or something because they are the very poor people. But here it not be a problem. So most of the family they have the electricity connections. So electricity powers of all tubers to field and used to various type of small business also. They are using the electricity in that good way. That means they are utilized for their business. Okay, so Palambur has 2 primary school. Primary schools means 1 to 5. Okay, primary schools are there, 2 primary schools and 1 high school also is there in that Palambur. So there is the primary health center. That means a small dispensary of the like hospital. So 1 primary health center run by the government and 1 private dispensary where the sick people are treated. So this is that about what are the facilities are there in that Palambur. So how many families are living in that village? 450 families. 80 upper caste people are living. That means they are the upper caste, means it is the caste wise. So they have own land and houses and that SC, that is people are living in that corner of village. Nearly 150 families are living in that and their houses is very small and they made to mud and straw. And most of the family have the electric connections. That means they are using for their business. And Palambur have 2 primary schools and 1 high school. There is the primary health center run by the government and 1 private dispensary also is there. Okay, so the description above shows that Palambur has fairly well developed system. If you see everything, that village is well developed system, like road facilities are there, transport is there, electricity is there, irrigation facilities are there, school, health center, everything are there in that particular villages. So compare this facility those are nearby our villages, like nearby our villages, if you saw any type of facilities, means it is well connected or well developed village are there in that areas. Okay, So are you clear what is the introductions, what I am saying? If you have doubt, you can ask me
Yes,
immediately.
ma'am.
No doubt at all. Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, very good. Now I
Yes,
am asking
ma'am.
the question, then we can go to the next topic. Okay.